Hi, my name is Aleeyah and I'm 40 years old.
And Aleeyah, what was your biggest struggle or the reason why you contacted me to start training?
So I had a baby right before the pandemic, and then I spent a lot of time during the pandemic, the couple of years after, sitting down with the baby, not going out a lot, and I felt when I would walk upstairs or just walk normally, I'd be out of breath. So I really wanted to get stronger, especially since I have a baby and want to keep up with him. So that's why I contacted Tina.
Was it hard for you to do stuff on your own?
For sure, yeah. So it was hard to lift things up. We have 3 flights of stairs in our house. So my husband always had to lift up all the groceries and anything else we brought up. Like, it was hard for me to carry the baby up, and at the time, maybe he was 20 pounds. So it was hard for me to carry him up. I'd be really out of breath. And so I didn't want to be like that forever. And like, he started to run and walk, and I wanted to be able to run with him.
And then why was it, was it hard for you to get started on your own?
I think I didn't really know what to do. So in the past, I've always done cardio, so doing HIIT training or just getting on the elliptical or walking on the treadmill. And I would start to do that and I'd get out of breath, and then I would say, do I keep going or do I need to pull back? Do I take the intensity down? I wasn't sure what to do. So I really wanted to increase my fitness quickly because my son was running a lot at this point, and so I wanted someone who knew what they were doing to help me.
That makes sense. And so what's been your one biggest accomplishment so far in our training? Or so, even, I remember you said someone had commented.
Yeah. So I guess part of getting stronger was also losing some fat from pregnancy and pandemic. And a couple of people have commented, like maybe a month or 2 in to strength training, that I looked a lot skinnier, even though I hadn't lost weight. So I think my muscle is being replaced by fat. So that's a good thing. In terms of accomplishments, like I know how to lift things properly without hurting myself. Which is great, and I lift things up the stairs, those stairs I was talking about, my son plus groceries. One day I had an epiphany and I was like, oh, I'm not out of breath, and it wasn't too heavy. So just being able to do everyday things that like I wouldn't have in the past, lifting my luggage, and when we go on a flight, like overhead, I'd have to wait for my husband. So everyday things, and they come easier. And also now my body like craves the exercise. Initially my mind was like, no, don't do it. And now my body craves it. My mind's like, yes, we have to do it. And every time I do it, I feel better. I feel stronger. I feel healthier. I'm happier. It's just overall helped not only my physical, but my mental health.
I love it. And then what would you tell a friend about training with me? No pressure since I'm here.
I would say Tina is great at gauging where you are and building workouts to get you stronger as quickly as possible without hurting yourself, but also listening to your body and helping you listen to your body. And at the same time, educating you about what you're doing in terms of lifting weights, but also nutrition. So I think it's like a very well-rounded education. I feel like I can go to any gym and lift any type of weight correctly. Now after being with her, and not have any kind of, I guess, anxiety or nervousness around it.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.